Oh yeah, look at that. Hey there, folks. Wacky Weatherman here today. Welcome in. This is the 18th of February. Would have been my late stepmom's birthday. So I'll miss her a lot, boy. She was awesome. Her name was Tressie. So happy birthday, Ma. Yeah, she passed away probably, oh Lord, about a year ago. So, but anyway, man, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's raining a little bit. Not bad. Of course, I'm Wacky Weatherman. What do you expect? Um, Nothing. It's wet. So, so here we are. I'm actually using the iPhone 5. I'm using the one with the badly cracked screen. I don't, I don't care. I'll use it. It don't matter. So, that's about all that is right there, man. Nothing happening right now. It's wet, and we'll keep an eye out on this today. We'll check out the weather here in a little while. And who knows, we may get something and we may not. This will be our first storm watch of 2022. Hey, it's all groovy with my man Jumping James. That's it. So, anyway, you guys welcome in, man. Wacky Weatherman. Well, keep an eye on it, baby. So, y'all be groovy. Y'all say groovy. And keep it in the 10 ring. All right. I'll turn this back on here a little bit. February 18th, 2022. So, we'll come back here in a little bit and wait and just see what happens with this weather. I hope we get a storm. I hope we get something. All right. All right, y'all. That wind is really, ooh, it's getting cold too, boys. It's getting, yeah, make sure she's got the right address for that card. But anyway, yep. So anyway, folks, Wacky Weatherman here. That wind is really good. It's getting cold, and it's getting cold too. So, it is about almost 11:30ish, and I've got the TV on, and we're going to check it out. Check out the weather here in a little bit. Like I said, I'm just using I'm just using the iPhone. So it's really cold. It's getting cold, folks. Good Lord, that's nasty. But anyway, Wacky Weatherman here, your old buddy Gerald. I'm not dressed for success this morning yet. But we'll turn it back on here in a little bit, folks. So I'll see you guys in the noon hour when we get ready to watch the weather and see. Boy, listen to that wind. Man. Nasty and cold. Good Lord, I didn't think it was going to be this cold. So, yucky. Yucky, yucky. So, that's it, folks. Wacky Weatherman here. We'll turn this back on here in a little bit when we get ready to watch the news and the weather. And it's about the only thing that you can watch now that's actually accurate. So, February 18th, 2022. Happy birthday, Ma, to my late stepmama, Tressie. And I wish you guys got to have met her. She was awesome. So, but that's it. You guys be groovy. And y'all say groovy. All right, folks. Later on. Good Lord, it's cold out there. It's actually getting colder out there. Good deal. All right, then, y'all. We'll turn it back on here in a little bit, man. All right, folks. I'm sorry. Today is the 17th. I got my wires crossed there. So let's check this out, folks, and see what's happening. So it's February 17th. So I need to go back and change crap.
For some lightning, thunder, and also some gusty winds. Now, a big weather story we're talking about is the potential for some flooding. You can see right there just how many people under a flood warning.
Check that out, y'all.
This noon hour at the moment. So again, please be careful.
Yeah, it's raining outside, boy. There's the window.
Approaching a flooded area. So we have that advisory. We also have a wind advisory in place for everyone as well. Tracking gusty winds around 30, 40, 50. Some could be close to 70-mile-per-hour gusts. Now, not everyone's seeing winds that strong, but still, a chance for some very gusty winds in your neighborhood. And
Yeah,
this is
boy.
looking to expire around 6 o'clock this evening, so about 6 more hours, and the winds will slowly calm down. Now, since we last spoke this morning, Storm Prediction Center has shifted things a little bit. Parts of western Kentucky, northwest Tennessee, and the Boot Heel under a level 3 enhanced risk for the potential for gusty winds. A brief tornado is possible. Now, it's a slim chance, but it's not at 0. So, yes, a brief tornado possible. Also, the biggest threat, once again, is the heavy rain causing quite a bit of flooding on some secondary roads. Please,
y'all can hear the wind outside, can't you? The rain
looking
against that window.
Forecast. Here's the setup right now outside.
Damn.
Look at all those colors. There's yellows, oranges, and quite a few of us seeing some dark reds, indicating that heavy rain. And here's something interesting. Once that cold front moves out, the rain moves out fairly quickly. Some of us still seeing some light rain throughout the afternoon and the evening. Temperatures cool down like that. Notice later on tonight, dropping back down to the 20s overnight tonight and tomorrow morning. Our highs this morning were in the 60s. Not the case already for this lunchtime hour. Tomorrow morning will be in the 20s, but feeling to the upper teens and also feeling into the single digits for quite a few of us. So bundle up for tomorrow, and also into the afternoon will only be in the 40s going on into your Friday afternoon. But notice the sunshine is back in your forecast. But let's get through today first. We're talking gusty winds, heavy rain, also the chance for a brief tornado. First off, looking at the past 24 hours as far as precip total goes, some of us already seeing around 2, even 3 inches of rain. So again, flooding is still big in the
something
danger
here, folks, right?
These next several hours. But looking ahead, we're still tracking another round of scattered showers and thunderstorms going on into next week. So that's why the rainfall totals kind of a little bit more of a bigger number, 3, 4, 5, possibly even 6 inches of rain between now and this time next week. So rain today, but we're done with the rain after today and also the weekend. Fairly dry, but then another round of rain Monday,
so we got more
Tuesday,
rain coming.
And Wednesday. So yes, keep the rain gear handy, but also keep that heavier jacket handy, especially for tomorrow. Looking hour by hour as far as the winds go, really picking up throughout the afternoon and the evening. But once that cold front moves out, the winds will also be calming down throughout tonight and also into those overnight hours. And remember, we still have that wind advisory in place about 6 o'clock this evening. That's when the winds will really peak up. So today, 65 was our high, dropping back down to the low 20s tomorrow morning. Really cold start to the weekend, whatever day it is, I don't know. 42 is your high for tomorrow. More sunshine on the way for your Friday. The weekend, not too bad. More sunshine, 50 degrees. For your Saturday, 62 going on.
Yeah, it's going to be nice.
Sunday, looking ahead towards next Monday, we're back to the mid-60s with some more rain moving into the area.
Good Lord,
overnight,
folks.
Monday night and also into Tuesday, the warmest day, upper 60s near 70 degrees.
Wow.
Cooling back down to the low 50s with some more rain by Wednesday.
All right, folks, we'll go outside. Well, I tell you what, let me open this. Let me open this up here for y'all. Listen to this wind now. Boy, it's really getting it. Very cold and wet. Cold and wet. Damn. It is cold and wet. All right, folks, we're going to let this thing simmer down for a little while. Then we'll just see what happens here. So, yeah, that's it. There's nothing out. There's nothing here. It is just a filthy day out. So, but yeah, man, it's all groovy. So you guys be groovy yourself, and we'll turn it back on here, give it about an hour or so, and we'll just see what happens, unless something happens between now and then, which I think looks like probably we're all probably just going to get some rain. But I'll be here through y'all throughout the hour, so we'll come back in about an hour and check it out. About the one-ish hour, and that's it. So February 17th, 2022. Okay, so I need to go back and change the dates on those things. All right, later, folks. Put it back on here in a little bit. Hey y'all, Wacky Weatherman. It is after the 1 o'clock hour, and it's still cold and very windy. It's not changed in the last hour. So that wind is really picking up. Y'all can hear it and see. So it's not doing anything. Boy, it's really cold. It's getting colder out here, y'all. So woo, getting colder and colder, boys and girls. I'll tell you what. Yeah, it is. Wow, that's crazy. It's bad weather. Bad. Let's listen to that wind for a minute, yo. But anyway, folks, Wacky Weatherman here, your old buddy Gerald. I will we'll turn it back on here in a little bit. It's not doing anything, so just boring as heck. But we got some wind and some rain, very cold. Anyway, I'll see you turn this back on here in about the 2 o'clock hour, February 17th, 2022. God, I'm messed up. All right, later, folks. February 17th, 2022. There, I got it. Once you get used to saying one thing, you got to say something else. You never get used to saying the dates. But hey, that's all right. Really windy on the planet Earth. Not really anything at all. All right, you guys, y'all be groovy, wacky weatherman. February 17th, 2022. As it rages on. All right, turn it back on. Well, yeah, boy, it really is getting cold. Like almost blizzard temperature temps out there. All right, folks, we'll turn it back on here in about an hour. It's after the 1 o'clock p.m. hour right here. Your old buddy Gerald, wacky weatherman. All right, y'all, it's after the 2 o'clock hour, just a couple minutes after. And then we'll come back at about the 3. But it's actually getting... What, through the, what we was working on? Oh. Oh, all right. All right, y'all. So wacky weatherman. Yeah, it's after the 2 o'clock p.m. hour, bowl. And, very cold. And windy. And all that groovy stuff. And I'm not going out there. Oh, what the heck. Ooh, very cold. Okay, I stepped out there for a second. Alright, so nothing. It is pretty cold out there. And I really believe, I don't believe we're going to be getting anything. I really don't. But we'll check this out about the 3 o'clock and check the weather at 5 and 6. And everything. And we'll check it at 10 too. So we'll be here for a good... We'll be here for a good 8 more hours. So I have 8 more segments coming up. But that is it. Anyway, I'm going to shut this door. And I'll see y'all in the 3 o'clock p.m. hour. So y'all be groovy. That's it. February 17th, 2022. I got it right. Alrighty, folks. It is about 3:47. Almost into the 4 o'clock hour. But it's not doing anything. The rain stopped. But it is really pretty windy. It's very cold. It's getting colder by the minute. So, nothing yet. I'm going to go charge the this iPhone here. And I'll, well, heck, I guess I'll see y'all in the 4 o'clock hour sometime. Almost 5. And we'll just see. It's not doing anything. It is very cold. So, anywho. And the Twitch. No itch. Alright, so I'll see you folks in about the 4 p.m. hour, about 4:30ish or so. Alright, you guys be groovy. Wacky weatherman here. Ooh, it's cold. Alright, so February 17th, 2022. I'll see you guys back here in about probably about 30 minutes. So, hold on. Yeah, I know. Hold on. Alrighty, folks. This wacky weatherman. It's about 4:45. So, oh my God, it's getting colder, folks. Good Lord. Yeah, it really didn't do anything today, did it? It was just stupid. Man, stupid. Whew. So no storms, but we had a heck of a wind. So it has not changed. It's getting colder, actually, boys and girls. Talking about flurries tonight. I was like, come on, you serious? So good Lord, folks. Getting ready to watch some Night Court and get ready to upload this and get ready for y'all to watch me tonight on Twitch at 8 p.m. Central Time. So, yep, Mike. So, boy, I tell you, folks, that's really... Here you go, I'll let you see it. Okay, so anyway, you guys be groovy. I'll see you guys at the 5 o'clock hour when the news comes and the weather comes on. Good Lord. Oh my God, folks. But anyway, so I'm still not dressed for success. Okay, but That's right. Got it going on. Anyway, I'll turn this back on here in a little bit, man. I'll see you guys when it gets ready for about 30 minutes. Oh my God. February 17th, 2022. See you guys. Just be groovy, wacky weatherman. I'll see you guys then. So, man, it's cold. Let's take another little glimpse outside. Listen to that. Look at that. Good Lord, it's like a boy. Temperatures are getting cold, baby. Good Lord. Anyway, I'll see you guys here in the. We'll watch the weather and just see what happens. All right. Okay, y'all. Alrighty, folks. Wacky weatherman here. It is, as Todd Faulkner. It is almost 6 o'clock, but I love the hopper, the Joey, and we can watch it. So, this was from 5 o'clock, so it's almost still there, but we'll probably end it tonight after this one, because it's not really much more to...
7 inches of rain in Lone Oak, 4.15 from a good weather watcher of ours in Calvert City. 3.6 was the official reading in Cape, I should also add. For those of you in the Cape area, that is a new record for the date in Cape Girardeau.
Cape got 3.5 inches of rain.
At the Weather Service in West Paducah. That is a new record for Paducah for this state.
Yep. We're talking to our friend Glenn.
1.75 inches of rain. This a very common scene today.
Wow.
Anna, this is along Hard Money Road in McCracken County, the Wabash River, the Massac Creek. You name it, if it's a creek or a river, it's over its banks right now, and it's still going to be probably through the evening. The reason why this was worse than expected is because the ground can't handle this water right now. It's actually still partially frozen down a little bit, A. And B, it was already almost saturated. You throw all this water into it,
so,
and it's not going to...
But this is it, folks. We'll go back out there one more time at least. And I'm going to get ready for the Twitch live broadcast tonight.
It's probably going to be there for a few hours or even all the way into tonight. This is from the Mayfield Garden Apartments from Antone. If you've got photos, send them to us on our weather app. You can do that through the weather window or on my Facebook page. This is from Tanya, Carroll Road in West Paducah. Let's be real, by now, most of you, if you've lived here for any period of time, you know who you are when we say flood-prone area. If you live anywhere that's prone to flooding, it's flooded, again, going to be through the evening. And even, too, there's areas today that...
And we'll go out there and check it out, and we'll bring this video to a close, and then I'll get to busy and I'll upload it and get it ready for you guys, and we'll come out here and we'll check it out tomorrow.
Speeds are sustained from the northwest, 20 to 30 miles an hour. Wind gusts are up to 40. A little bit of reflection and transparency to the wind forecast. About
no
Bergman.
Bergman.
Maybe a hair less, but again, the rain was way more than expected. The wind was about as average as we expected, and thankfully we did not get any tornado here today. And the main reason for that is because the track shifted about 50 miles south of that low pressure, and that's what gave us more rain and kept the tornado threat just to our south. But for some of you, the wind in the next few hours might actually be as strong or stronger than it was earlier today, with sustained winds now in the 20s with gusts up to 40.
That's pretty bad.
30 in Murray, 36 in Mayfield, 37 Paducah, 39 in Union City.
But anyway, folks, Wacky Weatherman here. I just wanted to come in here before we get out of here. There's no need of me going through all this. Oh, look at this.
I'm not super concerned about a flash freeze or icing everywhere, and the main reason for that is the wind's going to keep going, and that should evaporate much of the water, obviously unless it's flooded over a road, before it can freeze, but maybe overpasses, elevated surfaces. Yeah, there could be a touch of ice late tonight. 21 in Murray, 19 Paducah, 20 in Union City, but I want to add the wind chill is going to be way lower than these numbers. You can take a haircut by about 10 degrees off these readings, and that's what it'll feel like late tonight. 19, the air temperature minimum in Metropolis, 17 in Harrisburg, Illinois. Severe weather continues. Lots of severe thunderstorm warning polygons from central Kentucky down to Nashville. Even a violent tornado outside of Birmingham coming out of Tuscaloosa County in Alabama this evening. But for us, it's clearing moving into the northwest. Maybe a flurry coming up at the end of the newscast. We'll walk you through your 7-day forecast, which thankfully is much quieter for the upcoming week.
All right, folks, we'll go back outside and check it out, and I'll see y'all here in a second. All right, folks, we're going to go check it out here. We still got some daylight left. Ooh, it's very cold, folks. Good Lord, it's getting cold out here. My lands, folks. Good Lord. But that's it. Hey, man, thanks for hanging out here with us. You all be groovy. Gonna be cold on a wheel digger's butt out there, but there's just some sun. There's just a little bit of some kind of like a little sunset type of thing. We can zoom in here a little bit. And there it is. Very, very cold. Oh, there you go. I'm outside. Very cold. All right. Anyway, you guys be groovy. February 17th, 2022. It still feels it's going to be going back wintertime, boys and girls. And hey, I'll see y'all then. Tomorrow, February 17th, 2022. Tomorrow will be February 18th. So, everything is quiet right now. Good Lord, that wind is cold. Jeez. But anyway, y'all be groovy and y'all say groovy. And join me tonight on Twitch about 8 p.m. Central Time. And I'm going to shut that door, lock it. So, but anyway, you guys be groovy. And that's it. All right.